Me say na e kan nyina me ye wire mfi say NDC MP for the 9th Parliament no e kremoni. NDC MP for Assin Central. E kremoni.
Mijima.
Yokoji and seat no di free MPP for semono e kremoni. Ni okoji onabo kan Japan city.
Okay. Na we dey kwakumo fa ncheme. On say nyina yesua de radio.
Ono so entra okasa oni Ghana fo akasa. Na yenkohwe agini mboaten yenkohwe ni video nimra.
Me interview me ba me di nyame asembe bro. MPP munchie. MPP for munchie ni yi. Mamu nye mistake da ense some flag bearer na oko odi mu anim no. Mo ba report o men Canada o. Munchie ni yi. Sabe. Ghana no. Your western part, your northern part, your eastern part, your greater part, your Ashanti part. Baby, ni pe free biara. So we Ghana ni die. Odi ade ye. MPP nhwe na munyi tribal politics amoye ni free. Na Ghana for the woman nhwe. Ghana, they are watching you people. Me hunu ye
ansa na no. Se owo abrochiri anase owo Ghana ha. Na oye program bi say engagement, wedding, and as a funeral. Na ope obia obeba betwa video no ede ama and as a oba betwa pictures na metre quality videos and as a quality pictures and for any engine e wo baby as a cam hacks. Na mano na eda screen ne so no. Na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha baby a wo bia ofre na obeba abetwa wo program no e de amount anase empo wo amano ne e na wo hweye e na wo beye program e na wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no e de amawa contact number na e da screen so no obetwa wadjuma no yopo e de amount je say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchim e wo baby anase empo ope bibi te say camera light and now say drone e de child programmer and so o contact na obeba ababeya ma fe nka
mo be ye mo be to ba na mo yi obi am na be di party na nima mo the policies se we gina wa won kan de obetimi ayede abo party when kan de obetimi ayede abo party and then na ba afede as a mo say party ni more because all of you wants to become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party na aba eti dia mo kike na ba kuko wini a ebe de na ba ko timi ya support no said dia mo ya mo niam MP bro ho empanifu wo mo form na nsi form because a bit more agenda some omo be destroy party no a bit more serious agenda some be say party no na ma men kan bi o say MPP mu ye mistakes some flag bearer Ghana for hwemu mo ba regret it mo ba in opposition be say 20 years your strategy and the nipa bi na ma sofo bi so eye meka asemu ebio MPP and lusu abatu amoto ya just because of bad performance but because of part no mu fo no mu asem and MPP elusu poto. And they are still doing the same thing to bring the party down. Delegates, mama money now. Mama money and now. Na any pebi wa party no ma. Wama je pass on best party no kora. Mama money now. Me kebi o sa. Ghana hana ya wono. Sesi ya Ghana sesi ya ye womno. We your mampani. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ewie na juma the best choice. Ghana bet me do mani atoso. Dr. Bawumia say omampani wie na juma the best choice na Ghana ni bia shede ekoso MPP mamuma delegate asem emamun say party no Ghana ni da so Ghana ni bia wo ye badene ba ebe hunu se Mahama omampani His Excellency Gonja this year say owie na juma the best choice Ghana bet me do mani atoso Dr. Bawumia. Now there is agenda be a koso. Then NDC for a moment fighting for somebody to become a flag bearer because they know say it will be a cheaper side. Chama Bokodia.
The murder of a baby Abokopa.
Yeah, yes, was.
All right, so where video etosumi nu. Ne etosumi ensano prophet Samuel Jima Labi. Ana Samuel Labi Jima. O komiso kumas no bezi. Na oyesophobia ne nkyerɛkyerɛ tonkrofo so pa. Na endra video bi a pop up. Emso ne Kwame Tanko wo Lawson ene yesa interview no. Na asɛm a waka no emu odu. Na emu so do pa. Nyansa ewum na waka nyame adwene. Pomi enko ha video ne mra.
It will be an error. Say a Christopher Betanasiama be a cramoni abe Julia. What will you say
now
that?
From the what point na Orca from a point say well who say cramoni baby disua kramusum be ye kese amanya mesoma kofo mama kramusum kunkum Christopher nyina de a ene de Orca no meneni gitum wo kramoni be president a sikani nyina konkramofo wona egunse nyire be kuom nyina Christopher be kuom nyina magana be da and media but senti sadia ene na wo expose we Christopher ne say alinti na chenchina wo pese Christo ni no na be ye bra ye tre tradition and answer ye wo Muslims and ye wo the same Christian na ye nyina ya kan bom na wo pese ba ko pe na ye okay edu pese o chem say ene Christopher ba na o ma anyere o mo hunjo mu here another chance na una we expose Christianity so wunim dia jai mo obi nso mbra ma ye ne ehu se wahu difference so wahu se ye ka kire mu se kramoni ba o ntumi wayere ho a wo mpese obi be ba da bia ba akofo kwa asore nkwa na ebe ene na mu obiribi a mo de isie because ye ma mu biribi wo Kristosum mu edi mu mo antimi anwa na ye miensa ye ma memma ye miensa eden na didi yesu obi edi a eyeye na chenchina wo de osi enko a na wo ma bi chance wo ma si chance ebreko asi ba wo nkum yen ebreko bi ba wo nkum yen na wo die na wo kata so. So I believe that some people obi are biased towards the calling. It is some people are just projecting that which they can have voice. Ekoye Christianity or son daya obeti. By ekoye kremu a anhwe obehye nkonkra na obeji atum no aka cho se wonso nu imam ekokasa. Imam ukokasa ebro no be mu atono akoye sareka. Ba wo de ba ye nso side dia nka 100,000 bi de. Ye beje opa because oil ne bo
interest na wo come.
Ehon na me pese me ka because ye nyina ye nipa. Wonim amam amanyo nya sore yo. Kwame wonim nyame ka asem bi kire me hwe eduru asore a onyame pɛ the anointed one but eduru oman a onyame pɛ the man who has the nation at heart. Asore de ye pɛ de won hosre nim nyamesem but oman de ye pɛ de wodwene oman ne ho no ne de hwe oman edu ba ye chinchire se Christopher nko amra de a ene ye nyintum se ye nche Ghana mu miensa niema so called wiasefo anasa abaifo nsamanfo nkotron ba bi mienu Muslimi ntron ba bi na ye nso entene ba bi ne ye nyina ehunu se ye Christian fo nko a eba ne sa ye nya election bio ye koda de ye beso da ye no ne ye de no aba anopa ye nyina Ghana ye morning devotion 7 to 9 iwi ane ye nya kwa adwuma ne ato correction ne ehunu se ye yo man wo nyame mu. It cannot even happen.
All right, so where prophet Samuel Jima Labi and Martin in Kase or no so or Kasaye Nina has to do with the same NPP primaries. The third video, the mama a Yirma Bemnefi Mako the other a part a prophet Najagezi and also Kasawo Aluta FM on Miami near Penny Fifi Pratt and then my former colleague Ewo Kingdom FM Fifi Pratt and prophet Naja Gezi and so ne Fifi Pratt edi enkomo yanka jangum ne hwane wum
na nyame adwuma koso na watena TV so radio so because of whatever na or say nyame adwuma. I'm a student of history. I did history at Legon. Obi bia o say nyame adwuma no nyame tia ne kasa na ndwuma tie. Nyame tia ne kasa na ndwuma tie. Sabachote ase ese so obi gina ma nyame adwuma. Ese so obi gina ma nyame asafo. And I like to get last I wrote something, people call me the assassins and they will come and kill you here. Tell me, some mechanic correct. Then you survive here. I thank God. I am doing the work of God genuinely. You will sit on radio, baba, you are fake, you are fake. Do you know what it takes to be fake? That you see, does he know what it takes? All the prophet are fake, some of the prophet, and you will sit down and say, sir, you are coming to. I saw for now come on from those who are fake. That's it. What is the measure of fake? I'm a degree holder for Christ's sake. My quabrochile, no wamba, my bobra. I think at my age of 41, by 41 can only be. You just sit on TV, no microphone juma. Who put your big mommy to TV so now good anymore say? Who does that? In any serious country, that guy should have been in jail. In any serious country. And I know the MPP. I know the discerning delegates of MPP. I know they will punish him. They'll punish him. Ghanaians are not stopping. Sorry to say. His name irritated. If he ain't cast for
Aluta
92 95.9
the voice of the people.
Wuntumi Radio.
Devia Ghana for can we say so we are prophet this all team wunjira politics
you can't do politics.
Yeah.
You can't run a nation without prophets, without men of God. Any landed person knows say in Israel. In the states, let's even go to Athens where democracy began. You can't administer the affairs of a state without the role of religion. When it comes to religion, the prophet play a major role, the apostle play a major role, the teachers, the evangelists, the pastors. So they do. So they do. Yeah.
It's about the Sunday. I was saying Ghana for Jai prophets more because they say your friends say your papa bako out of Swati do say Reverend Osubepa.
Yeah. Let me correct this. So we come on Facebook send me call Kennedy Japan or Punch. I never went there to beg Kennedy Japan and I'll never beg him because I've not done anything to him. What it says was that he was going to release homosexual tape about senior men of God in the country, which would have brought a disaster to the body of Christ. And senior men of God called me, say, young call calming it down. And he said, sometimes when somebody is a dog, you pet the person to cage the person. And at the appropriate time, you deal with the person. Somebody I say, I'm not one of the cowards. But he doesn't feed me. And he can feed me. I'm not one of the people he feeds. Yeah, I said, senior men of God called me. Yeah. Said, we had a tape that he was going to lie on certain senior men of God that they were homosexuals. You see, the pain in me concerning that man, a lot of people don't know. He would have crashed it. You see, the church is a spirit which no mortal man can crash it. But you see, you know me all the way from London. Me actually, this man can sit on TV and say I'm a murderer. My kids are in London. You know me in London. You've not met me anywhere. See the make up poasie. One will be a me by South and midi meko any way kinky, San Fanti kinky. One will be a cop poasie or dimeko any fanti kinky that. I mean, it's ridiculous. No.
And yet, Cassadi here and they are solving Ghana problems. And yet, dialogue no any here and you see problem na ye can want some galamsey no and ye no. Cause no kure wo mu pa ma mpani obadi atumu ni se eye kasa ne adwenkyere nko ade a ya tro textbooks be ne wo ho efa galamsey ho solutions aye here de be si galamsey anokwa nyinada.
Happy FM 98.9
Ghana for free nkoda akopem nkokora ne merewa so free wo mo tebrofo ni wo mo ntebrofo efi ahemfo ekosi kromafo wono mu a wo masua de akwa akire a wo mo ti sansem yase obia kire na dwene kwan ya emfa galamsey mfa so timampani no kura wo mu no ene se yese ye pe solution to galamsey a enya another round of yenkasa biem yeni nkomo dialogue biem. This nation is tired of the talk shop. Yano asolve Ghana problems nyina enso ye nyina di ho dance ye say problems ni afa kura na no aye dene echenkane eno na mpanimfo be ka kire say wo de wano edo enwure a ebi nwo enti yemfa ya no solve problems action and they solve problem.
FM 98.9.
Mampani no ne baako ɛwɔ se yɛka ɛma wote aseɛ. Because yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛdeɛ Ghana ha moyɛ mo politics meka mo a ɛnyɛ mo as NDC the political class aban biara nyɛ tumi no ɔbɛtena konwa so a problem na yɛnim deda no a yɛnim kwan a ɛwɔ se yɛde fa soɔ no ne yɛsan si ho konwa na yɛsan hyɛ biribiara se foforɔ akwa ese bribia mu no ewo se obi timinya political points efri mu because mampeni you are not new to Galamsey. From 2012 to 2016 wona na Ghana shawonsa Mampeni we are aware. Say Galamsey ntokwa na nkasa no se ye kan ba bia ntokwa no ye hya se pa fiase se ye kon Galamsey a eye under your watch your Mahama part 1 excavators a ya hyehye e hyase ho ya mahyi bi pen se ye nkyekye nkrofo machichi bia dialogue, national dialogue from 2012 to 2016 as President John Mahama. Your government led a number of national dialogues to ensure say obi ade na adwen ba ma ya fe kwan e befa so edi betu Galamsey ase. Na Akufo-Addo baaye ono so betutu anamo ahodo
98.9.
Ono so yes or reset Galamsey asem no into ono de osi 2 years ye bani obia we a small scale we a Galamsey we a wine nobody should mind ye wie ya ye bie ye asen ye bie mponche no gidi obia tisi mu ekotu bi eyade ne basa ema yes, I share another round of national dialogues and conversation, I say, at different levels. And I will always remember this. The last and the biggest national dialogue Galamsey happened under the NPP. So that time, the lance minister then, Abujina Po, Oko Asante Hiniho. Okone dem kwase ne se nana yeto nsafro ba esre wo ba enkototo bombo ni ade
Happy FM 98.9.
nana so ba e no beka ye ene okesi mwanimu se mo amuguda mu ha nyina Galamsey mu nim hu bi na mu nim mo ye ebi te ha mo atumi ni kura mo amubetimi asi Galamsey anu mu nyina mo odam ha ahemfo police military politicians Inti si yese no kura pa ye pese etu Galamsey ase a KNUST hall ha ye tie solution ni nie ye disam komo we nyina civil society organizations enye ne na wo mo hya ase se wo mo di wo madwen kyerɛ ba ekwan a ye mfa Galamsey mfa so inti ene wo hu eye me wanwa se deputy chief of staff Standogbe Ebe responded harshly to Kenashigbe in the manner we on social media. And I'm wondering, me do know what I mean
98.9.
Mampeni assembly nie. Civil society for now frɛ wo no. Omo said dia ba akopɛ no mo hwɛ a declaration of state of emergency e wo ba bia Galamsey koso. Omo be hia wo no omo anya saade no. Nkyerɛkyerɛmu a wode baaye ne sɛ wono wonye security expert enti eba state of emergency a enya wo na be sori ase wo ko declare sɛ National Security Council too fu sɛ asɛm na dum pɛmpɛnso a wɔsɛ declare state of emergency no mo ka sɛ ya a wo bɛyɛ timampani asɛm no wo san kyea na ne wo pa kyerɛ ka kyerɛ Ghana fo nyinaa ne sɛ wo mampani ne ade ɔman na hyɛ wo nsa de ɔman ni gold ɔman ni nsuo ɔman na sase ɔman no emu nipa ne yɛn da akyea hyɛ wo nsa no wo de ebesi na wonya hunu sɛ galamsey no edum pɛmpɛnso a eku yɛn na etu yɛn firi asase wei so agye sɛ security for na ka kyerɛ wansa. That is what you mean. Say, as president